Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be fitting a diffuser kit on this 2015 BMW M2. So let's quickly take a look at the parts that we need and what comes in the kit. The first piece that is in the kit is the front diffuser, and that goes along the underside of the front bumper. So it has these little dimples that haven't been drilled yet, so if you wanted to, you could drill holes in them and put the self-tapping screws, or you can stick it on along the front bumper. These are the parts for the rear. You have a rear diffuser that you will replace for your old one, and you got two side spats that will go on the edges of both sides, so left and right. And then you also have a rear spoiler that you will replace with the original spoiler, so you'll have to take that off. And also what comes with the kit is some double-sided tape and 2 packets of self-tapping screws. So this diffuser kit is from eBay. I'll be putting the link for the advert down below in the description, so if you guys want to purchase one for yourself, you can. I'm not sponsored by the company in any way. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is removing the rear diffuser and putting on the gloss black diffuser. So that's the rear diffuser on. It took a little bit of moving about to get all of the clips lined up and underneath the clips to line up as well. But yeah, it's looking quite good, and I think it's changed the back of the car quite a lot. So the next step is fitting the side spats over here. And if you look at the back, there is some markings there and there and there and there. And looking underneath the car, there are 1, 2, and then another bolt down here. So I'll just undo these and then screw the side spats on. So that's the rear spats on the left hand side, and then moving on to the right hand side. As you can see, they're lined up quite good. I used the original mounting holes underneath that I showed you before, and they're both looking lined up quite nice. So let's move on to the next step of fitting the front splitter. So that's the front bumper splitter all done, and as you can see, it all lines up perfectly. Underneath, it was a little tricky getting the holes lined up. Some of the places had to use the self-tappers provided, but it all looks good. So the last step is going to be moving on to doing the rear spoiler. So the original rear spoiler I think is stuck on, so we have to remove that first before I stick the new spoiler on. And what I've done, I've soaked it in some intensive tar remover while I was doing the front bumper, so that way it comes off much easier rather than pulling away and damaging at the body. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some heat from the heat gun to just warm it up slightly so I can just pry it away. So what I'm going to use is some of this fishing wire, and I'm going to put it in between the spoiler like this and sort of pull along the spoiler until the glue is removed, and also while I'm applying heat. So let me just put the time lapse on and get this spoiler removed. That's all of the kit installed, so the spoiler is on now and it's looking quite good. It's stuck down quite nice, and the tape that came in the kit was strong, so I'm happy with how it came out and it's looking really nice. I just had to polish it because it had a couple scratches on there from when I was storing it, but I really think it makes a nice difference on the back of the car. So that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation of this BMW M2. Don't forget, if you enjoyed watching, to like and subscribe. Also, comment down below your favourite BMW M series car. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.